We are proud to say that since December 2023, all drip irrigation is manufactured locally in South Africa. Yes, we're a small drop in the bucket of drip irrigation worldwide. To put it into perspective, South Africa manufactured 116 million meters in 2024, and obviously China's much bigger than that. Wow. But we round about 160 million meters manufactured last year of drip irrigation in total. But I think the jump that we've seen from 2024 to 2025, there's definitely been a shift in momentum, a positive shift in momentum. So we are happy with where we are year to date in 2025. And if I just, talk to people across the industry and even in the neighboring countries, for sure there's a little bit more, wind behind our sails versus previous years. I think we went through a bit of a dip, 23, 24, and then now in 2025, for sure there's an upshift again, I would say. So I'm optimistic for the short term, at least within our space.